Hey, this is Metakit from Team Blizzard, again with another video tutorial. We are going to go over creatures. Always fun. And we're going to start with the smiley face. Simple. Basically, you're gonna, imagine you're putting your hands out in front of you. A retarded mime. And close it like you're a tiger. Rawr. Or Godzilla. And you're going to take that and turn it around. Put your wrists together. Your thumbs are your eyes. And your mouth as well your other fingers. The smiley face. Other creatures can range from the bird. Not middle finger the bird. But my version of a bird. You're going to take your hands, it kind of goes hand in hand with the finger wave, if you saw that. Opening and closing each finger succession. It doesn't have to be. You're going to take your palms, interlock them, if that makes sense. Put one on top of the other. Your thumbs are going to be the eyes, and you got wings. And flap those wings, and you got a bird. Another creature, always fun to do, is like a spider type thing. It looks like an upside down spider to me. But basically, this is going to go hand in hand. Yet again, you're going to cross your thumbs, cross your hands, and you're going to go with your index fingers or your pinky fingers. It doesn't matter. And yet again, close and open. Preferably if you open with your index fingers, close with your index fingers, repeat. Or you can do the same with the pinky. Your choice. That's going to look something like this, up to speed. Pinkies first, index first. It's all boiling down to closing, open, close, open, close, open. That's basically it. That's the spider. Upside down spider. Those are just 3 creatures. They're different. Good enough. You can make up whatever you think is cool. Like, in my opinion, something I made up. It's called the Evil Clam. Because it's awesome. Which basically, you're going to take your fingers. Imagine your, hands together. You're going to intertwine your thumbs, put one hand on top of the other. Those are going to be the eyes. Open and close your jaws. You have a clam that's really mad. Those are creatures and a variation of another creature I did. Practice makes perfect. So, this is Metakit from Team Blizzard. Signing off. Bye.
Look at it again.